Hello guys. In this video, I'll be talking about why I invest on dividends and what's unique about this portfolio and how I choose my own stocks. This is the screenshot of my very own portfolio. As you can see in my portfolio, I only have 5 stocks to it, with 2 being a preferred shares and 3 a regular stock. All of them pays me dividend on a quarterly, semi-annually, and annual basis. And as you can observe as well, almost all of them is in the red except for one. The reason is the Philippine market is in consolidation mode. You may ask, why not be a day trader and trade on a daily basis? Trust me, I have tried those things. This portfolio existed since February 2019, and since that day up to October, I have been trying all kinds of trading strategies that I could find. And it was up till October that I have just tried dividend investing strategy. In fact, let me show you my journal on stocks. So this is my stock journal covering February up to October. As you can see, almost all of the items are in the red, meaning they lost. And there's only 6 items that is a win. And despite all of those, if you take a look at the gain-loss section, you can see that I still lost about 1,700 pesos. It was in October that I discovered something about dividend investing on YouTube in the likes of Joseph Carlson, Andy Jick, Sherry Tung, and so much more. And I said to myself, why not? Because the purpose of my portfolio is to generate for me passive income. And the second thing is so that it will allow me to retire as early as possible. So what's the difference between their portfolio and mine? First and foremost, this account doesn't have any auto investment program on it, which means that I myself have to reinvest those dividends back, either on the same stock or any other stock in my own liking. Depending on a person, it may be a good or a bad thing. But for me, it works well because I have full control of that dividend and how to invest it. The second reason why this portfolio is unique is that it cannot buy or sell stocks at a fraction, which means if the stock has a minimum board lot of 10, then you have to buy and sell that stock on a minimum board lot of 10. Now, this second reason does work against me, because like those YouTubers, I also want to earn stocks that pay me dividends almost on a daily basis. As a result of that limitation, this portfolio will now have less number of stocks that it can own, which brings me the third reason why this portfolio is unique. And that is, for this portfolio, I will limit the number of stocks that I will own from 15 up to 20 only. Now, the fourth reason why this portfolio is unique is that I will set up a 3-time dividend payout period per month. That is, from dates 1 to 10 of the month, at least one stock will pay me dividends, and another from 11 to 20, and lastly from 21 up to the end of the month. Well, some of you will ask me, how would I choose my own set of stocks? Well, first and foremost, since this portfolio will be a dividend payout portfolio, then each stock of mine should pay me dividends at least on an annual basis. And the second thing is that each of these stocks should follow my dividend payout schedule. That is, 3 stocks will pay me on a monthly basis. The third thing is that each of these stocks should have debt to asset ratio of not more than 30%. And lastly, the company's profit margin should be higher than the debt to asset ratio. And that is my criteria on how I choose my stocks as of now. But that doesn't mean it will not change, since I'm still learning. That's all for me, guys. Hope this video is useful to anyone. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to subscribe for more videos, hit the subscribe button.